What legal options remain for Indian families, stuck in multi-year green card queues? Are humanitarian pathways or country cap reforms gaining traction?
So the whole thing about the green card allotment, the quotas, the 7% rule, the prioritization of green card issuance has been up for debate in Congress for years. There have been bills that have been put forth, but they never come to fruition. And that is because comprehensive immigration reform has been historically impossible in this country. The last time we had our major immigration reform was 1996. And the problem is with our bipartisan state is that our two parties cannot agree on anything. Congress has been futile, almost completely futile in the administration of immigration laws in this country. I am by nature an optimistic person, but after a decade of doing this, more than a decade of doing this work, I don't have much hope for any immigration reform on this rule, because there have been a lot of opportunities when both Republicans and Democrats were in the office, and still this couldn't come to fruition. Though I, of course, will hold out onto that hope. In terms of humanitarian pathways, well, unfortunately, this government has made exceedingly clear that it's all but foreclosing almost every humanitarian option that we have for families in this country. It's shutting down programs like Uniting for Ukraine. The Cuban, Haitians, Nicaraguans, and Venezuelans TPS has been canceled for so many people. So unfortunately, at this time, I just have to say we are in a really difficult position. And one of the things that is super frustrating to me as an immigration attorney, one of the things that makes it really difficult for this 7-year rule or this 7% rule and the backlogs that Indians in particular face is when you have children. And to your point, Bhargav, for families, if you moved to the United States when your child was 8 years old or older, there's a good chance that that child is going to age out before that child could obtain a green card through you. That is something that even the Trump administration says that they wish to address at some point in time. Trump himself said he doesn't find that fair. Now, will that administration take any steps to try to help that situation? I'm not holding out hope for that either.